I'm Thirdxtrick. I am a variety streamer on Twitch. I play a lot of single player experiences. Sometimes I'll play some community horror games. If you know that sounds like something you're interested in, my social links, my Twitch, all that stuff will be in the link down below. Come say hi. Hello gamers. I just want to keep this short and concise, that way I can be confident as possible. Topic of this video is the very first lesson you would learn in Stoicism, and that is we cannot control the world around us, we can only control our reactions. Very simple sentence, but it could easily take a lifetime to master. We use that for gameplay by reacting without emotion that will hurt us. By reacting with emotion that will enthrall others to be inspired and continue watching. As a leader or streamer, and we react with the ability to use muscle memory from former hours of gameplay unhindered by the increased heart rate and flood of epinephrine or adrenaline that comes when we get angry.
Okay, fuck, that was my last bullet too.
What are some ways to stay calm? Disclaimer, I'm not a dietitian, I'm not a mental health expert. I'm just a dude who can Google some shit. Number 1, avoid sugar and caffeine. That means if you're not drinking water, don't drink it. Keep a healthy diet. I don't know how to put that any simpler. Fats, carbs, proteins, eat real food. And be well rested. I will admit I'm recording this at 3 a.m., but that's because I feel like I'm the most inspired to be creative at night. My name's Thirdxtrick. That's Navy slang for night shift. The most simple practice that I can offer you to stay calm is to simply breathe. Breathing is so important to centering yourself, to removing yourself from the emotional reaction that you feel coming. It's a form of meditation. It's a way to bring yourself back into the game so that you can make plays happen. Small note, if you try these and nothing helps, it's okay to talk to someone. I know lots of people struggle for years with anger issues, myself included, who have talked to therapists, who have been medicated, who have made huge improvements in their life. No matter what, don't think that you are beyond help. Keep your chin up.